Hello, this is my Module 7 reflection. And for the first question over the videos and articles, I feel like virtual school is a lot more hands-on than I thought it would be. I thought that it would really just be like technology and just working on that. And there's a lot more communication that involves with it. Um, I expected virtual schooling to just be like kids work at their own pace, they do everything online, not very much interaction with teachers. And so I actually learned a lot, and I thought that that was really cool that like students will video chat with their teachers once a day or even more than that, depending on what grade. And so I thought that was really cool. Um, I also had no idea that they did dual enrollment, and so virtual schools can pair up with the district and actually go to like sporting events and be on teams. So I thought that was kind of weird, but I thought it was cool at the same time. And then, yeah, I didn't expect it to be as interactive with field trips. Um, and so I thought that was really interesting. I feel like virtual learning schools, I feel like there's really no need to have them in elementary schools. I mean, kids at that point in time, they're at an age where they need to interact with other kids and they need to like actually be disciplined in school. And so I think that I don't really support that. But I think as you get older, I think that's definitely a cool option. But I definitely think there is like more plagiarism and cheating that goes on, and so that's definitely a disadvantage. And then having an online course as a requirement, I think that it might be helpful, but I don't think it's necessary. I never took an online class until college, and I did just fine. Um, I got used to Canvas very quick when I was at K State. I got used to Blackboard super quick. It's just something that you have to adjust to, and I think that's a part of college. And so I don't think there's really any need to have it as a requirement in high school. And then for number three, I really didn't like the learning management system. I used Google Classroom, and I chose it because I've used it as a student in the past a couple of times, and so I thought I'd be more familiar with it, and it seemed easy to navigate. Um, but no, I didn't really like it. I didn't like that you couldn't see like what actual students see. And so I know for Canvas, professors have an option to like click a button and it'll show how students view it rather than the teacher's view, which is super helpful so you can make sure that everything's upright. And so I didn't like that, and I didn't like that you couldn't add like resources like on Blackboard and Canvas you can add resources. And so this was just a lot more basic than anything else I've ever dealt with. And so I didn't really like it that much. I did like how it was organized though. It was nice. It's basic, so it was really organized, but I definitely can see myself using it in the future when I do get more used to it. I don't know if Google Classroom is an exact one that I would use, but I can see myself using a learning management system just to communicate with students and maybe make discussion boards. Those are ways that professors have used in the past for me. So those are some ways that I think that I would use it.